Let's talk for a minute about breadcrumbs. Let's start with Google breadcrumbs, and that is what shows up in a Google search. This is a random search I did for Callaway golf clubs, and you can see that Amazon's result and Overstock's results all have these neat little extra links in the URL, where some of the other listings out there don't have that. I can't click anywhere in this green area. So if I'm a user and I'm looking for Callaway because somebody had talked about it, and I decide, you know what if I want to look at other products, not just Callaway, but other golf clubs? By using breadcrumbs and making it clear to the search engines how your site's structured using those breadcrumbs, you have the potential of getting these extra links into search results, into the snippets. So here's two examples: golf club sets, golf club toys and sports. So I can now, as a user, I can actually reverse navigate without even hitting this web page and go right to the golf section, or right to sports and outdoors. Same thing on Overstock. I can go to sets, golf equipment, and sports and toys. So really cool way now to get that result in there, to have that happen that way. And there's another benefit too we'll talk about in a minute, but to get that, you've got to use something called structured markup. And there's a lot of examples out there on how to do it. One of my favorites, easy one, is Bing.com. Gives you some microdata that you can add to your site in the breadcrumb area to help the search engines and users know where they are on your site. Let me give you one example. Let's go to bobswatches.com and let's drill into a specific category, and heck, maybe into a specific product. What you'll notice here at the top is it lists the page that you're on. It doesn't link to the page you're on because you're already there. You don't need a link. But it does link back to the category and then back to home. By using a little bit of structured data, Google can pick up on this and they can include these breadcrumbs in the actual search results. So kind of a neat way to easily put that information in there. Now here's where the other benefit is. As we discussed in other videos, internal linking plays an important role in your search engine optimization strategy. By implementing breadcrumbs, particularly those within that structured data, that special coding that we saw you looked at a minute ago, that markup, enables us to put more keyword-rich links to our categories. So let's just say I've got 1,000 Rolex presidents. By having this breadcrumb in here, that means every single one of those 1,000 pages has a backlink to the Rolex President category page using the anchor Rolex President, thereby helping that website place better for the keyword Rolex President. So again, just another example of how, let's see if he's on page 2. Oh, there he is, right there, page 1. So this particular site has great placement, great ranking, lots of internal links because of those breadcrumbs, but hasn't introduced schema just yet. That is the structured markup that we might use for that page to get that cool little breadcrumb in there. Does anybody else have it yet? Nope. Huge opportunity now for this domain. Well, this site does down here on the bottom, Rolex watches, home. So there's a category there. So there's one result with it, and then Gray and Sons down here. So Bob's Watches has a huge opportunity now to take those breadcrumbs, kick them up a notch by adding that structured data and getting a little more play in the search. So let's close this window, go back to the page itself. And as you can see, we've got quite a few internal links now to Rolex President thanks to the breadcrumb, and have the opportunity with a little bit of structured markup to help that page have even more information for users and a way for users to choose other content. So there's the added benefit. Two benefits there. Again, one is specifically to give users more choices, and two is to help increase the number of internal links to a specific page. And that's why we use breadcrumbs in hopes to achieve higher placement for our categories on our website. This is Steve Wiedemann. Thanks for watching, and please leave any comments you have in the comment section below. Thanks.